What is up, y'all? High West here. It's Halloween. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. About to go for a little ride in the Hawk, y'all. Oh, I meant to clean my mirrors, but forgot about that. Left the headlights on. Cars up a little bit before I get out here all the way. We'll do the choke one, half choke one, so we get around the quarter. I guess I did a little bit better job on the mirrors this time. The light, right? High West on the Hawk 250, baby. Sweet legal dirt bike. I'll take this trip all the way off. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween! Baby. Night for Halloween, y'all. See if I can find my family. Hi. I smell fires burning all over the place. They said they're going to be on this street. Oh, I see my van. Where's Batman? A little zombie. Hey, zombie girl. Hey. Let's see if I spot my little goblins. Is that my wife down there? My beautiful wife. From a distance though. Hey, sure. Hey, superheroes. Hey. Is that my goblin? Oh, there's one of mine. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Man, they got some ugly peoples. Monsters and all. My daughter, the panther. Oh, a dog has a costume on. Check it out, y'all. All kinds of crazy zombies and stuff. I see my daughter, she looks like a creep. What did you say about me? I'm having more fun than you.
Yeah, I bet.
You guys come over to me when you get done and get some trick. Oh, I'm stuck in my pocket, y'all. Ahaha. Grab. Brookie.
Trick or treat.
Smell my feet. Aphrodite. Don't poop in her grass.
I got bags.
Oh shit. Don't tell me my bike just died. I was like, my bike never died. It's Halloween. Why something happened?
Like something happened tonight. Yeah.
Oh, just a short. So I take these wires together. We got an issue.
Are you done?
I got a short on my wire. I didn't realize it. I'll fix that tomorrow. Trick or treat. Candy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Trick or treat. I know it's a bit scary. Hi, I like your costume.